Go to the Settings icon in the lower left corner of your Obsidian window, then click Core Plugins and find Daily Notes in the list. Toggle it on and you'll see a small calendar icon appear in your left sidebar. That icon is your one-click gateway to today's note. If you don't see it, press Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on Mac to open the command palette. Type Open Today's Daily Note and select it. Obsidian will instantly create a brand new note titled with today's date. No manual file creation needed. That's the core of the system and you now have it working. If you found that useful, please like and subscribe, and let's dive into why this feature is so powerful and how to get the most out of it. What makes Daily Notes so valuable is that it removes the friction of starting fresh each morning. Instead of asking yourself, where do I put this idea? Or, how do I log this meeting note? You have one dedicated container for everything that happens today. It becomes your mission control, a single note for tasks, journaling, meeting notes, random thoughts, and even quick wins. And because Obsidian auto-saves while you type, you never have to worry about losing anything. Let me show you how to fill that note with structure so it truly serves your day. Tidin. Click inside the note and type a heading like Today's Goals. Press Enter, then create a checklist by typing a hyphen, a space, an opening and closing square bracket, and a space that's mit s, followed by your first task. Repeat this for each item you want on your to-do list. This isn't just a list. It's a live interactive checklist you can check off as you go. Add another heading called Meetings and list any calls or appointments you have, with times or links. Then add notes for capturing ideas or information that comes up during conversations. If you want to log personal reflections, add a journal heading. For tracking accomplishments, add Wins Today. And if you're already thinking about tomorrow, create a tomorrow section right now. It's a great way to offload tasks before you forget them. Each of these headings gives you a logical place to drop information throughout the day, so nothing gets scattered across random notes. Now let's make this process even more automatic. Go back into Settings and click on Daily Notes directly. Here you can choose a new file location. I recommend creating a dedicated folder, for example Daily Notes, so all your daily entries are stored in one clean spot. Under Date Format, select a style like YYMMDD that keeps your notes sorted chronologically in your File Explorer, which makes searching and browsing effortless months later. And if you want a template, specify one under Template File Location. A template is just a note that contains the headings and structure you use every day, like goals, tasks, meetings, journal, wins, tomorrow. Obsidian will automatically copy that template into each new daily note, saving you from typing those same sections each morning. You can create that template as a separate note and select it here. Once you've saved those settings, open today's daily note again to confirm it uses your new folder and date format. If you set a template, it should load with all your headings already in place. Now, as your day unfolds, you can add internal links to connect this note to other parts of your knowledge base. For example, if you work on a project called Website Redesign, type double square brackets around it, and Obsidian will link that project note directly from your daily note. This turns your daily log into a hub that stitches together everything you worked on that day. As you complete tasks, click the square brackets to check them off. It's satisfying and gives you a clear visual of progress. At the end of the day, spend just a couple of minutes reviewing your note. Check off any finished tasks, write a brief reflection under your journal or wins heading, and move any unfinished tasks to tomorrow's daily note by copying them into the tomorrow section. This simple habit prevents things from falling through the cracks and ensures you start the next day with a clear, organized plan. Over time, these daily notes build into a searchable chronological record of your work and life, a resource you can look back on to find meeting details, track project history, or reflect on your personal growth. Even a few minutes each day creates an archive of genuine value. You've now set up a system that works quietly in the background, ready to capture anything, anytime. Save this video or bookmark these steps. You'll want to revisit them as you refine your routine. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.